Today, we will guide you on how to clean your Daikin MC80 series air purifier properly and easily. Please note that in addition to the grills on the exterior of the unit, the Tafu HEPA filter and deodorizing filter also need to be cleaned. Firstly, switch off the air purifier. For safety, turn off the power supply and unplug the unit before you start. Begin by vacuuming each grill to remove surface dust. Remove the pre-filters and rinse the grill with water. Then, wipe each grill with a cloth and set it aside to dry. Unlock and remove both the Tafu HEPA filter and the deodorizing filter from the unit. Vacuum each filter to remove surface dust. Please note that you should never rinse the filters with water, as it may damage them. The Tafu HEPA filter needs to be replaced every 10 years. The deodorizing filter does not need to be changed. You can now reassemble the Tafu HEPA filter, the deodorizing filter, and the filter holder. Clean the PM2.5 sensor with a vacuum cleaner when dusty and wipe it every 3 months. Remove the pre-filter at the right and the cover of the sensor's air inlet. Detach the hook and pull it towards you. Vacuum off any dust using a vacuum cleaner crevice tool or something similar. Clean the lenses with a wet cotton bud and then dry them with a dry baby cotton bud. Do not use alcohol for cleaning. After cleaning, make sure to reattach the cover securely. Reassemble the grills, ensuring they're securely in place. Lastly, gently wipe the exterior of the unit, including the panels and louver, to remove any surface dirt or dust. You can now enjoy your Daikin Air Purifier that provides not only clean and healthy air, but also peace of mind.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.